Living room. The main room in a house for relaxing or entertaining guests. We spend most of our evenings in the living room. The living room is bright and spacious. Sofa/couch. A comfortable seat for multiple people. I sat on the sofa to watch TV. She bought a new leather couch for the living room. Armchair. A comfortable chair with sides for resting arms. I like reading in my armchair by the window. He bought a cozy armchair for his corner. Coffee table. A low table placed in front of a sofa. I put magazines on the coffee table. The coffee table is perfect for snacks. TV/television. An electronic device for watching shows and movies. We watch movies on the TV every weekend. The television in the living room is very large. Remote control. A device to operate electronics from a distance. I couldn't find the remote control. She changed the channel using the remote control. Lamp. A light source in a room. I turned on the lamp for reading. The lamp gives a warm light in the evening. Rug/carpet. A soft floor covering. I placed a rug near the sofa. The carpet makes the room look cozy. Curtains. Fabric used to cover windows. She opened the curtains to let sunlight in. The curtains are blue and thick. Bookshelf. A piece of furniture to hold books. I organized my books on the bookshelf. The bookshelf is next to the window. Picture frame. A frame for displaying photos or art. I hung a picture frame on the wall. She keeps family photos in picture frames. Vase. A container for holding flowers. I placed fresh flowers in the vase. The vase is made of glass. Fireplace. A structure for making a fire to warm the room. We sat near the fireplace on a cold evening. The fireplace adds a cozy feel to the living room. Cushion. A soft pillow used for comfort. I put a cushion on the sofa. The cushions make the chairs more comfortable. Clock. A device to show time. The clock on the wall shows 7 p.m. She bought a decorative clock for the living room. Game console. An electronic device used to play video games. The kids play on the game console after school. He bought a new game console last week. Reading. The activity of looking at and understanding written words. I enjoy reading books in the living room. She spends her evenings reading magazines. Watch TV. To view programs on television. We watch TV together as a family. He likes to watch TV before dinner. Talk/chat. To converse casually. We talk about our day in the living room. She chats with her friends on the sofa. Listen to music. To enjoy songs or melodies. I listen to music while relaxing. They listen to music together in the evenings.